Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best pet hair dryer balls is probably one of the most innovative solutions to a problem that plagues pet owners everywhere. Stubborn pet hair clinging to clothes and linens after every wash, and this product promises to tackle that issue head-on by reducing static and helping to separate fabrics in the dryer, potentially leaving your laundry looking and feeling significantly cleaner and fluffier. Number 5. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Introducing Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, your natural alternative to chemical fabric softeners. These premium wool balls are designed to make your laundry softer and fresher, naturally. Say goodbye to disposable dryer sheets and liquid softeners. Our wool dryer balls are reusable for over 1,000 loads, offering a sustainable and cost-effective solution for your laundry needs. Experience significantly reduced drying times. As they tumble, these balls separate your clothes, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently for quicker drying. Shorten your drying cycles by up to 25%, leading to reduced appliance usage and lower electricity bills. It's an eco-friendly way to save energy and money. Enjoy laundry that's fluffier, softer, and virtually wrinkle-free. These wool balls help minimize static cling, leaving your clothes looking and feeling their best. Crafted from 100% premium New Zealand wool, our dryer balls are dense and extra large. They are naturally felted, ensuring a durable and long-lasting product without any synthetic fillers. What we like? Experience superior quality with these dryer balls made from premium New Zealand wool. They naturally soften clothes, reduce wrinkles, and significantly cut down drying time. If you're looking for a natural, long-lasting alternative to chemical softeners and want to save on energy costs, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. These dryer balls are a game-changer for pet owners. They effectively reduce static cling and soften fabrics, making laundry day a breeze. I was skeptical at first, but these balls really do work. My dog's hair, which usually clings to everything, came out of the dryer much cleaner than before. The design is simple yet effective. They tumble around in the dryer, separating clothes and allowing for better airflow, which speeds up drying time. Number 4. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Introducing the Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, an award-winning solution for your laundry needs. These premium natural fabric softeners are designed to make your clothes softer and reduce drying time. Say goodbye to chemical-laden dryer sheets. Our wool balls are a natural and eco-friendly alternative that effectively softens fabrics without any harmful additives. These versatile wool balls are designed to replace traditional dryer sheets. Simply toss them in with your laundry for a more efficient and natural drying experience. Experience the difference with our XL premium quality wool balls. They are larger and more durable, ensuring long-lasting performance and excellent results with every load. Make a smart choice for your laundry and the environment. These wool balls are a sustainable option that helps reduce energy consumption and waste. Not only do they soften your fabrics, but they also help reduce wrinkles and static cling. Enjoy fresh, soft, and beautifully dried laundry every time. What we like? These award-winning dryer balls are crafted from extra-large, premium wool for exceptional performance. They effectively replace dryer sheets, leaving your laundry softer and reducing static. If you prioritize proven quality and a generous size for better tumbling action, you should consider these. What people say. These dryer balls are a game-changer for pet owners. They effectively reduce static cling and soften fabrics, making laundry day a breeze. I was skeptical at first, but these balls really do help remove pet hair from clothes. They get tangled up with the hair, and then you just pull it off after the cycle. The design is simple yet effective. They're durable and don't make excessive noise in the dryer. Plus, they're a natural alternative to chemical fabric softeners. Number 3. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 3-pack. Introducing the Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, an award-winning solution for your laundry needs. These XL premium natural balls are designed to soften your fabrics effectively. Say goodbye to chemical fabric softeners and dryer sheets. Our wool balls provide a natural alternative that leaves your clothes feeling wonderfully soft and fresh. Tired of constantly buying dryer sheets? These wool laundry balls are a reusable and eco-friendly replacement. Simply toss them in with your laundry load. Experience the difference with our XL premium wool balls. They are crafted for durability and maximum effectiveness in every cycle. Make a sustainable choice for your home. Using these wool dryer balls reduces waste and energy consumption, contributing to a greener planet. Not only do they soften your clothes, but they also help reduce static cling and drying time. Enjoy laundry that's gentle on fabrics and kind to the environment. What we like. This 3-pack offers premium wool dryer balls in a convenient size. They are designed to replace traditional dryer sheets, softening clothes and reducing static cling. If you have a smaller household or a compact dryer and are looking for a natural way to enhance your laundry routine, this set is ideal. What people say. These dryer balls are a game changer for pet owners. They effectively reduce static cling and soften fabrics, making laundry day a breeze. I was skeptical at first, but these balls really do help lift pet hair from clothes. I've noticed a significant decrease in the amount of hair left on my garments after drying. The design of these dryer balls is simple yet effective. They tumble freely in the dryer, ensuring even distribution and optimal performance in removing pet hair. Number 2. Raffaelo Wool Dryer Balls XL. Introducing Raffaelo Wool Dryer Balls, your premium solution for laundry. These XL-sized balls are designed for superior performance. Enjoy over 1,000 loads of laundry with these reusable dryer balls. Simply use 3 balls per load for optimal results. Make an energy-saving choice with our wool dryer balls. They reduce drying time, soften clothes, and cut down on costs. These dryer balls are suitable for all fabric types. They help decrease wrinkles and static, saving you time and effort. Crafted from natural New Zealand wool, they are safe for sensitive skin and even cloth diapers. Experience a fresh, clean scent. These wool dryer balls make an ideal gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with this practical and thoughtful present. What we like. Tackle pet hair effectively with these XL wool dryer balls. They not only soften clothes and reduce drying time but also help remove stubborn pet fur. If you're a pet owner struggling with hair on your laundry, these offer a dual benefit of softening and hair removal. What people say. These dryer balls are a game changer for pet owners. They effectively reduce static cling and soften fabrics, making laundry day a breeze. I was skeptical at first, but these balls really do work. They help to separate the clothes in the dryer, allowing for better airflow and faster drying times. The design is simple yet effective. They're made of durable material and have held up well through multiple washes. Plus, they're a natural alternative to chemical fabric softeners. Number 1. Smart Sheep 8-pack Wool Dryer Balls. Introducing the Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, an award-winning solution for your laundry needs. These premium natural fabric softeners are designed to replace traditional dryer sheets. Make a sustainable choice with these reusable dryer balls. They are a healthy, petroleum-free alternative that reduces waste and lasts for over 1,000 loads. Experience significantly shorter drying times with these wool balls. Using them saves you time, money, and energy on every laundry cycle. Achieve naturally soft laundry without chemicals or synthetics. They are perfect for those with sensitive skin and babies, providing a gentle touch. This set includes premium New Zealand wool laundry balls, felted by artisans paid a strong living wage. We are committed to exceptional quality and customer service. As seen in Yahoo Lifestyle, Real Simple Magazine, and Good Housekeeping, these dryer balls are a trusted choice. They also make a fantastic gift or stocking stuffer. What we like. This large 8-pack provides an eco-friendly laundry solution that lasts for over 1,000 loads. Made from 100% premium New Zealand wool, they are a healthy, petroleum-free alternative. If you have a large family, do frequent laundry, or have individuals with sensitive skin, these hypoallergenic balls are an excellent, sustainable choice. What people say. These dryer balls are a game changer for pet owners. They effectively reduce pet hair on clothes, making laundry day so much easier. I was skeptical at first, but these balls actually work. They cling to pet hair in the dryer, preventing it from sticking to my clothes. The design of these dryer balls is simple yet brilliant. They tumble around in the dryer, collecting fur and lint like magic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.